Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, as you can see. And guys, before hard reset, make sure that your battery level must be 60% and above. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up and power key. Now slide down to power off. Okay, now OPPO Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone is successfully powered off. Now press and hold volume down and power key together for few seconds. Just press and hold it, and now release. So here you can see now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Now select the language, and here you can see the recovery menu, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Now tap on format data, and here you can see please enter verification code 5782. Enter it, 5782. And guys, here you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now tap on format, wiping, please wait. And here you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.